Have you ever wanted to change something just a little, not completely, but just enough to make it better? That's exactly what the word modify means. The word modify, pronounced modify, is a verb that means to make small changes or adjustments to something, usually to improve it or make it more suitable. Think of it like this: when you edit your essay to fix grammar mistakes, you're modifying it. When you add extra spice to your food, you're modifying the taste. Meaning and definition. To modify means to change or alter something slightly, especially to make it better or to fit a particular need. Synonyms of modify. Here are a few words that mean almost the same as a modify. Change, adjust, alter, revise, adapt. Each of these words shows a form of improvement or adjustment. Antonyms of modify. And here are some opposites. Preserve, maintain, keep, retain. These mean to leave something as it is, without changing it. Examples in sentences. The teacher asked us to modify our project to include more data. I had to modify my travel plans because of the weather. This program lets you modify your profile picture anytime. Fun tip. In grammar, the word modify is also used when an adjective or adverb changes the meaning of another word. For example, in a beautiful painting, the word beautiful modifies the noun painting. So whether it's your clothes, plans, or even your words, when you tweak something to make it better, you're modifying it. Keep improving. Keep learning. Keep growing your vocabulary with Thesaurus Thrive.